By taking this course, you will be able to recognize where relationships are actively used within Ivanti Service Manager, ISM. Identify various types of relationships. Recognize that information is coming to you because of the relationships within ISM. Describe how relationships are used by administrators. Relationships are the building blocks that make up much of ISM. Without relationships, the system doesn't work. The information presented in ISM is a result of the relationships within ISM. A relationship simply means the system is copying a unique set of data, in this case a record's rec ID, from one object record, parent or child, to another object record, parent or child. Here are some examples of where you see relationships. First, the customer field on an incident is a link field that relies on relationships. For example, using the customer field on an incident, the value in this field is a pointer or link to a specific employee record. You can access that customer record with the click of your mouse. This relationship is just a link to the employee record itself. Another common relationship example is a tab that you can add to business objects, such as CI, change, or problem. The most commonly used tab is task. This relationship is a link and a display of the information. Similarly, the response and resolution target progress bars are based on relationships as they are bringing in data from the escalation watch business object. There are often associations within a record. For example, if you are in the CI layout, you can associate two records with each other by clicking the Link button. You can remove this association between these two records by clicking the Unlink button. When you use the New button, you are creating a new record of that child object that is also being associated to the parent record. You can also use relationships when you create a search. For example, if you want to know what active incidents are assigned for the IT department, you could use relationships available in the Where and Value fields. The direction of the relationship is shown in both. Some are many to one, n or m to 1, and others are 1 to many, 1 to n or m, or many to many, n or m to n or m. Let's see Ren, who spends a few hours each day keeping in touch with what's happening by answering service calls and using relationships. Ren receives a call that someone is having a problem printing. She creates a new incident and gets information about the printer that the guest is having issues with. Before she saves the incident, she adds a link to the printer. Behind the scenes, the rec ID field from the incident is copied to the Fusion link table along with the rec ID of the CI record. A few minutes later, Ren gets a call about a guest that has the same problem with her printer. Ren already has the printer CI record open, so using the Incident Child tab, she created a new incident for the second guest. Which when saved is now linked to the printer CI record as well. This is an example of how two business objects can be the parent or the child of the relationship.